Hey there, and welcome to an episode of Flatbread Friday. I had some ham, and I decided there's a very controversial pizza that it's very popular in some circles, mine being one of them. And I've worked with so many chefs that have said no, no, no to a Hawaiian pizza, and that's pineapple and ham on a pizza. I like to add jalapenos, or I have the hot banana peppers from my garden, probably my last one. And so today we're gonna make a Hawaiian pizza, and hopefully it's popular with some, and I definitely won't be popular with others, but we're gonna do it, and we're gonna eat it, and we're gonna like it, and let's do it. I've prepped all our ingredients. We have some diced ham. That is just a cooked ham from the deli. You can use any ham you want. And some little pineapple wedges. And then we have our banana pepper and red onion. And now let's put it together. I've also got one of those nice thin artisan pizza crusts from Misfits Market that I like to keep my freezer full of because I like them a lot. We're gonna put just a small amount of sauce all over this. Our sauce is down, only to be followed by some mozzarella cheese. And now comes our ham. Nicely distributed. Next comes pineapple. And we're gonna just kind of arrange these wedges all over the place. Next comes our banana peppers. Now, depending on how hot you like things, these are real hot, so put as much or as little on as you want. We're gonna finish up with our red onion. And then our controversial Hawaiian pizza is going in the oven. 425 for about 20 minutes. You know, I had a thought before this goes in the oven. I had in my refrigerator from another recipe some shredded Swiss. And since Swiss goes with ham, I'm just gonna give it a little extra cheesiness over top, just a little sprinkle. And now we'll see how she comes out. Our controversial Hawaiian pizza is out of the oven. Beautiful, saucy, fruity, spicy, hammy. And now we're gonna slice it and serve it. Here is our controversial Hawaiian pizza. And it looks real nice on this little florally edged plate. And because it's Hawaiian, I had a thought. You know how I like to decorate stuff, and I remembered that I had this toasted coconut from a recipe that I had made recently. So I'm gonna just sprinkle a little toasted coconut on our Hawaiian pizza. And then we're gonna eat it up. It's gonna make a great Friday dinner. Happy Flatbread Friday. Thank you for joining me for another edition of Flatbread Friday. I haven't had a Hawaiian pizza in a long time, and it was really good. And I did like the finish of the toasted coconut on the on top of it. And it was I've never had that before. And that was a really good thing to do too. And I just happened to have it on hand, so that's what we did. And happy Flatbread Friday. I know I've already said that. And thank you again. I know I've already said that. And we'll see you again soon.